The number one subconscious block to making more money. Now, before I tell you what it is, save this video because you're going to want to rewatch it, as it might not make sense immediately. Now, the number one subconscious block to making more money has nothing to do with intelligence or logic, but I see this over and over again with most of the people I've ever worked with. Do you want to know what it is? Pain. Now bear with me and let me explain why. Your subconscious mind is not rational or logical. It connects associations to things, emotions and feelings. Now, why is this relevant when it comes to making more money? I have an exercise for you, and I want you to pause this video and really feel what I'm about to ask you next. When you think about money, particularly in your life, how does it make you feel? Does it make you feel really calm, relaxed, grounded, and excited? Or does it make you feel pain, stress, worried, anxious, unsettled? If it's pain, then there's a great chance that your subconscious blocks money flowing to you. But for a very specific reason. Because of your past experiences, your subconscious mind has now connected the two together. Money equals stress. And because your subconscious mind is also programmed to protect you, now there's a potential safety mechanism at play. Your subconscious mind is now going to do whatever it can to block money, pushing it away from you because it creates stress. And that's why you might find yourself passing up every money opportunity that presents itself. Well, the good news is that you get to reprogram those associations. So instead of money equaling pain in your brain, you can actually reprogram it so that money equals calmness, happiness, contentment, joy, and all those beautiful things. And that is what I do. I show you how to start a zero-risk, low-time commitment, internationally proven strategy to make money online in your spare time, so you can unconsciously prove to your subconscious that money equals calmness, happiness, content, and joy. So you can reprogram those associations and start attracting more money instead of repelling it. Now, if you want an exclusive members-only invite, click on the link in my profile or leave me a comment and I'll personally write you back.